In the beginning, the universe was void, an endless dark expanse of infinite possibility. But then, the Creator's voice echoed across the cosmic nothingness, and from that sound came light. Stars erupted into being, massive orbs of fire that tore through the darkness, illuminating vast galaxies yet to form. This was the first spark of existence. Behold, the Galactic Genesis. What you've heard as the 7 days of creation? In the fabric of this cosmic retelling, it was a celestial symphony spanning eons, forming the blueprint of existence as we know it. With each divine command, layers upon layers of existence wove together into the intricate tapestry of the cosmos. At first, there was pure light. Photons ignited the great reactors of stars, birthing shimmering solar systems throughout the vastness of space. Day turned to night as celestial objects orbited one another, marking the rhythm of eternity. The Creator's hands shaped burning worlds and frozen moons, forming a delicate balance between life and the void. On the second day, the expanses of the heavenly oceans began to ripple. Seas of liquid methane on one planet, radiant rivers of gold on another. They shimmered as if bowing to the divine presence. It wasn't just water as we know it. Imagine the great networks of life-bearing plasma streams that would one day serve as the arteries of civilizations. The divine separated the deathless vacuum from the seas of cosmic vitality, a barrier no natural power could breach. On the third day, life began to stir. Not life as we might imagine it, but seeds of potential scattered to every corner of space. Planets bloomed, their surfaces erupting into alien forests with fractal leaves and bioluminescent flowers glowing in the dim starlight. Vibrant jungles, endless tundras, and fiery landscapes sprang forth on countless worlds, waiting for sentient life to awaken. Day 4 brought order to chaos. The Creator appointed the celestial bodies to mark cycles of time, the silent dance of planets revolving around their stars, the synchronized eclipses that filled the universe with wonder. The Creator whispered as constellations connected, creating maps written on the canvases of infinity. Now enter day 5. The first creatures emerged, ancient leviathans soaring among asteroids, their scales glimmering with stardust as they feasted in weightless tranquility. On emerging worlds, species suited to their environments began to take shape. Wings as vast as space station panels, pods with translucent skin reflecting the glow of nearby stars. It was a universe teeming with wonder. But it wasn't until day 6 that the crescendo of this cosmic opera truly rose. Beings in the Creator's own image came into existence, not mere mortals, but entities capable of great thought, great love, and great faith. The first sentient explorers, imbued with the eternal spark, ventured out into their new universe with wonder burning in their minds and hearts. They were given dominion not through dominance but through stewardship, tasked with cultivating harmony in the infinite garden. Finally, on the 7th day, the Creator rested. But the work wasn't left alone. The Creator's presence remained, humming through every corner of this vast expanse, an eternal reminder of who shaped it all. The rest wasn't the end. It was the beginning of a great story, a story as vast and limitless as space itself. And so, the Galactic Genesis reminds us that it all started with light, with purpose, and with hope. The stars whisper their origins to us even now, bridging the ancient with the eternal. This was not just the creation of a world, but of 1,000,000 worlds. A universe unfolding with meaning. Look up and remember, fellow explorers. The story of the stars is our story too, told by the Creator across galaxies and told to each of us in endless divine love.